morning. My name is Sir Dave, and welcome to my class.
So now let's try to manage our windows. So first, open Microsoft Paint, Microsoft Word, and the calculator program. So first, the Paint, and then go to search bar again, type Word, and then the calculator. Now minimize all windows except the calculator. So go to Word, minimize. This is the minimize button here. The Paint, click the minimize button except for the calculator. And then reduce the size of the calculator window and move it anywhere on the desktop. So you can resize the calculator window by going to the edges of the program here. There you are. Then you can move the calculator program anywhere on your desktop by clicking and hold this part of the program. Click and hold, then move anywhere in your desktop or screen. So now resize the Microsoft Word window so that it has the same size as the calculator. So you need to display the Microsoft Word document that you created earlier. Then resize. There you are. And then you can move. Now close the calculator. And then display the window for Microsoft Paint using the taskbar. So this is the taskbar. Okay. What do you call this again? The taskbar. Okay. Then maximize the window. So click the Paint and click the maximize button. So this is the maximize button. Then click to maximize or to uh, occupy all the screen of your computer or laptop. Now click the restore button. If you maximize the program window, you will see the restore button or the restore down. If you restore down, you will see the maximize button. Then go to Paint. So here is the active window, no? So you will notice if the window is active, if the icon on the taskbar is um, highlighted or activated. For example, here, I will click the Microsoft Word, so the Microsoft Word will be highlighted here in the taskbar. Now maximize the Word and then restore again the Word. And then close the Word. And then close the window. So that's it on how to manage your window. Thank you.
That's all for today. God bless.